So Michaela came to visit from Minnesota, and we are getting ready. She's going to ride a wild donkey for the first time in her life. So she's just getting Valhalla brushed up and ready. Valhalla's digging the attention. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Wild donkey Valhalla is green and Michaela is green, and she is sure getting a leg workout. Go, Michaela. Well, looky there. She's got Valhalla to move, but now we're stuck in a new corner and she's trying to get her to disengage. She's going to get this, guys. Keep with it, Michaela. Oh my gosh, she's riding a wild donkey, or rather sitting on a wild donkey and getting her leg workout for the day. Too bad I didn't notice while she was riding her to tell her to get her heels involved a little bit more. I had told her to use her calves, but I missed this when I was up on Honk. Maybe you thought it was never going to happen, but look at there, Michaela and Valhalla walking off. Well, at least they were. There they go again. Have you ever been a green person riding on a green donkey yourself, or a wild green donkey? I'd love to hear your stories. Share them in the comments, guys. There comes Thomas in for the rescue with the flag, just to help keep that forward movement. Now, if you're ever riding a donkey or any animal yourself, and they don't keep walking when you ask, this is where Michaela is doing a super fine job asking with her legs, and then as soon as she walks, she stops. And then as soon as she stops, that's when she gets to wave her legs again. And if she still, Valhalla doesn't move for her, then Thomas is coming in to save her with the flag, to help her learn what we're asking. She's doing an okay job with me with this, but now she's doing it with somebody new. Now this is Honk's first time being rode outside of the wild pen. And Honk's not wild, she was an unhandled mammoth. That waving her tail, she's just saying, oh, I'm uncomfortable, I'm nervous. So I'm just going to ask with my legs when she stops, give her a break when she doesn't. It's the first time having this side halter pull on. We haven't taught her to wear a bit yet. So she doesn't, I don't really have any steering. And she does trot with me 3 times in here, 2 or 3 times in here. And I have no idea why she trotted. But the first time it was because she got scared of the flag. So if you're using a flag and you got more than one person out there, make sure that your animal, if you're not asking that one to go, that you get your animal facing the person using the flag. And that way they don't get scared from it. Here, she seems to be trying to get back to Valhalla, and I would have been better off just to let there be a loose rein because I don't have any steering. It's not like I'm a slower down or turner. This has been such a pleasure having Michaela out to come visit. She wanted to see the wild donkeys and ride, and what a neat experience. And so much fun having Michaela out. Watching Michaela and Valhalla together, it brings back memories of when Seamus was first learning how to ride. And oh my gosh, did we have a hard time getting him to go. Now, Michaela doesn't have any experience, so there's a lot of little things that she's doing differently than I am. And I'm not always so good at pointing them out. But again, if you guys have stories of riding a donkey, a green donkey, and learning all of this stuff, I would love to hear it in the comments, your stories of what you've done with your donkeys and your experience of getting them to go. I am so proud of how Honk did today. She is the first time being outside of the wild pen, and here you see she's calming down. We're working on a little bit of steering, and that was that first time working on steering. And there is Michaela again getting a workout with her legs. It's leg day. So here in a second, I'm going to go help move Valhalla so she can get that forward movement again. I am so lucky that Michaela came out to visit. Oh, she's just such a sweet girl. Riding donkeys, guys. It's just so fun. And later on, you guys are going to be able to see Valhalla just walk out. She's going to be so excited to go on adventures and leave the pasture and all the different adventures that we're going to have. She is such a sweet donkey. I just love Valhalla so much. That leg workout, though, boy, oh boy, is Michaela getting a leg workout. I think they're starting to get tired. She says she's comfortable standing right where she's at. Oh, there's a step. Look at that. And then she's done. It's a donkey thing. So, guys, if you're doing this, eventually get your heels involved a little bit, and that's going to help with that forward movement also. And also, if you tilt their head one direction or another, that can also help to get that forward movement. So stick with it. Don't stop with the legs, flapping your legs until you get at least a step. Or not at least, but as soon as you get a step, stop. And there, Michaela's doing a great job. She could be a donkey trainer. And you see how my body language, I'm walking kind of fast. That's helping Valhalla know that it's time to move. Because they read our body language. We really want them to all learn to read our body language.